back to my channel. My name is Stacey Flowers and I'm a student of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University, and I'm on a journey to become 100% debt free. In my starting debt is $184,677.27. I am currently on baby step number 1 to save $500, and that's because my income is under $20,000 a year. I work part-time and I earn anywhere between $1,000 and $1,200 a month. In this video, I am going to show you all a grocery haul, and I am spending for the month a $50 grocery budget. Many people ask how I'm able to keep my grocery budget so small. In part is because I shop for one person, and in two, it's because I do a lot of planning. So if you are interested in seeing all that I'm able to buy with my monthly grocery budget, please stay tuned. So the first thing that I do whenever I am preparing for my grocery haul is I check my cabinets just to sort of see where my stock is at. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what that looks like before I make a list. I always go to the grocery store with a list and whatnot. So this is my seasoning cabinet, and these are like oils and stuff, and here's some seasonings down here. I pre-did this before I came on here, so I already know, but I would like pull something out like this. This is smoked paprika. I use this a lot to season my vegetables, so I know I need some smoked paprika. I come over here to this cabinet, which is kind of like my main cabinet, and I sort of like check the stock that I have here. And these are just bags just for storage. I'm gonna switch them out to mason jars, but like this is like self-rising flour. This is cornstarch. I have some pancake mix. So like you see how low my pancake mix is, so I know I'm gonna need to get some more pancake mix. Come up to my second shelf. Beans right now, I have these mung beans and I have black eyed peas, but I don't have any other beans left, so I'm gonna get some beans. This is kelp. This is a seasoning. It probably should be on the seasoning side. I need some more coconut oil. I'm down to one box of broth. I'm trying to keep that up there. One box of broth, so I know I need to get more broth. Then I have a bag of quinoa, which is good. I'm doing good on quinoa. I have 2 different bags of rice. That's because this rice is amazing, and I didn't know that rice is okay, but this rice is amazing. So, but if you see, like I'm doing pretty good on my rice. And then I have my super large bag of non-GMO popcorn, which is like the basic snack. So I look in here to see just what needs to be restocked, or, uh-oh, I'm sorry. I'm bringing the camera close to my face. I'm sorry. Just to see what needs to be restocked. And then after I look at what needs to be restocked, I come here and I actually just make a very easy grocery list. And so just put my budget up there. And then the seasonings that I need: turmeric, smoked paprika, garlic, the beans that I need to replace, the broth stocks and bases that I need, and then some of the veggies that I'm gonna get, and then other things. I do look in my refrigerator. I try to buy my fruits and vegetables the week that I'm, not even really fruits, but my vegetables the week that I'm gonna use them. But if you just look in my refrigerator, and you can see I'm down to little to nothing. Over here on the door, I keep just a few things, some roasted peppers, and then there's usually banana peppers here. I don't have any right now. A little bit of ginger. So I'm definitely going to be getting some banana peppers. I probably should have organized this a little bit better for you guys, but you get the gist. Then I go to the freezer, and in the freezer, this shelf is my shelf in the freezer, and it's pretty bare, but I cook with a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, so that's why. But I do have a big bag of mixed vegetables if I'm going to make some fried rice, and then I have a bag of peas. I really like peas. And then these are some of the freezer meals. These are 2 that are left over from the bags that I froze from my grocery haul for the month of February. So I have a bag of quinoa, and as you can see, this is a pretty big bag, so this will probably give me 2 lunches and a dinner. And then here are some black beans, which should probably allow me to make a couple of Buddha bowls or something like that. But those are my leftover freezer bags. So I just double check all of that before I head to the store, so that way, you know, while I'm at the store, I'm not overbuying or underbuying anything. And for the most part, I already in my mind have ideas of what the meals are going to be. It's a very simple diet for me. Everything is about flavor. So yeah, let's go to the grocery store. So sad. Every time I come, this is out. This is one. This is 2. This is how good this turmeric is, that every time I come in here, there's none. I'm gonna see if I can get them to ground me up some turmeric, because that's all I came here for was turmeric. But you have to come to the store with a list, because do I want these spiralized beets? Yes. Am I gonna get them? No. Well, their vegetables are on sale, so I'm gonna get, because it was originally $2.49 a pound for sweet potatoes, but I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of these sweet potatoes for $1.99 a pound, because that's how much they would be in the store. Of my $50 budget, I spent $18.86, which seems like a lot, but I got my favorite seasoning that makes me feel amazing, and I got 4 bean bases that'll turn into meals throughout the month, and I got 2 beans that will turn into meals throughout the month. Then I got chickpeas that will kind of turn into texture for the things that I'm gonna make meals out of, and I got a head of spinach, and I got some yams. So that's gonna be some amazing, delicious flavors, and I can't wait to show you guys what I do with the rest of my budget. So these sweet potatoes are 69 cents a pound. The other ones were $1.99 a pound. So I'm gonna get some potatoes out of here, and I'm gonna return the other potatoes. These golden beets, I'm on the phone with my best friend right now. She told me that I'm gonna just be super pumped about them. I have never had golden beets before, but I love beets. They're probably the most expensive thing in my budget. These sweet peppers, they are either gonna be $3.99 or $4.99, but I love them. They're easy to toss in the bowl. To show you all what I was able to get with my grocery haul. If you noticed, I talked about how my Marianos, which is just the basic grocery store that they have here in Chicago, how some of the items that I had purchased from Whole Foods, they had it cheaper at Marianos, and so I bought them from Marianos and returned them to Whole Foods. So at Whole Foods, I got a refund for $8.98 because I took back the sweet potatoes and the bunch of spinach, which is perfect because I believe that puts me on budget. But in the meantime, let's take a look at everything that I was able to purchase. So, although it doesn't look like there's much on the table, this is gonna turn into several meals for me throughout the month. So the big thing that I have are different beans. So I have red beans, I have garbanzo beans or chickpeas, and I also have black beans. Each of these makes several meals. I have a bunch of spinach that I'll be able to use. I have a little bit of Brussels sprouts. I have golden beets, and I also have red beets, and then I have 5 sweet potatoes, and these are going to be amazing. I'm super excited about that. Also have a red onion, a white onion for flavoring, turmeric, and the turmeric goes for flavoring on some of the soups, the beans, and the salads that I make, as well as the the golden milk that I have in the morning. Pepper rings because I really like banana peppers. Then I have some broths to make sure that I get some seasoning, better flavors in my soups and beans. I have peanut butter, which really just serves as a dessert, if I'm being 100% honest. And then I have a little bit of almond milk that just gives me something to sip on, as well as serves as the base for my golden milk in the morning. And then I have how many ounces is this? I have 2.5 gallons of water. The total is 1,886 plus. The total is $52.67. So I'm over budget, so I will be returning probably one of these gallons of water, and then that will put me right at $50. But if you notice, I also returned a couple of items from Whole Foods. I'm not above returning things because I rather be on budget. So it's $52.67, and that probably just happened again because I went to 2 different stores and bought items at one store that I wasn't originally planning on purchasing. And then in me doing the math in my head, thinking the calculation would even out, it didn't do that. So yeah, that's what I have for the grocery haul. Now I kind of want to show you guys, because right now when you're looking at everything, it looks like nothing, but that's also because so much of it isn't prepped. So I want to show you some of the preparations that I make so that way I can actually start enjoying some of the food. And so what I'm going to fast forward through quickly and show you guys are just how I would prepare this food, so that way for the next 4 weeks I have stuff to munch on and add to my different Buddha bowls, salads, etc., etc. So in the refrigerator, I just want to show you guys this real quick, sort of where the prep goes. So you guys know I bought a little bit of water that I'll have. These are the beans that I took out from before that I'm going to snack on with the leftover steak that I have. There's the almond milk that I purchased that makes sort of my drinks in the morning. And then here at the top, these are some of the things that I prep. So this is the garlic, that's the spinach, here's some Brussels sprouts, here are the diced sweet potatoes. I have this sweet potato half that I'm going to turn into sweet potato toast for breakfast. And then I have my sweet peppers back there. So I kind of stick with the items that are on this shelf and then the stuff that I have in my pantry. So you guys have seen me do my grocery haul. Let me take these out. I've been talking to my best friend. You guys seen me do my grocery haul. You've seen me prep red beans, kitchen sink red beans and rice that I'm going to prepare for tomorrow. You've seen me prep some garlic. You've seen me wash my spinach. You've also seen me prepare a little bit of sweet potatoes that I can toss into any of my Buddha bowls for the rest of the week. And I hope that that is insightful for you guys to just sort of understand how I eat off of right around like $30 to $50 a month, and I eat really hearty flavors. I do have a couple of videos coming where I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day so you can see how these portions work out. That's how I go grocery shopping, and that's how I prepare my food on the day that the groceries come in. The really great way to get the most bang for your buck with any of the food that you're buying, whether you're buying the vegetables that you see me buy, the beans and the vegetables, or you're buying packaged foods, is to prepare the food for cooking. Because I think it's the convenience, the lack of convenience is what prevents us from being really economical with our budgets. And as you guys see, I have rice making, I have beans prepared, and I have so many vegetables chopped up and pre-washed, so it's like literally just grab and go, throw things in. Those are my sweet potatoes that are done now. So until next time, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends. If you want to see something specific, please be sure to leave me a comment below. Or if you're looking for any other details with respect to my grocery hauls, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!